Hey there, fellow space enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of rockets and explore how they work. So, buckle up, and let's blast off! Rockets are a marvel of human engineering, and they're essential for space exploration. They work by using the reaction force of the propellant being expelled to provide thrust. This thrust is what propels the rocket forward, allowing it to reach incredible speeds and heights. Now, let's break it down step by step. The rocket's engine is at the heart of the whole operation. It's responsible for creating the thrust that propels the rocket into space. The engine is powered by a fuel, usually a combination of liquid oxygen and kerosene, which is ignited to create a hot, high-pressure gas. This gas is then expelled through a nozzle, creating a thrust that pushes the rocket forward. The nozzle is a crucial component in the rocket's design. It's shaped in such a way that it accelerates the hot gas, giving it more speed and momentum. This momentum is then transferred to the rocket, providing the thrust needed to overcome gravity and propel the rocket into space. But that's not all. Rocket engines are designed to be as efficient as possible. They're designed to use the minimum amount of fuel to provide the maximum amount of thrust. This is achieved by using a nozzle that's designed to be as efficient as possible. The nozzle is shaped in such a way that it accelerates the hot gas, giving it more speed and momentum. This momentum is then transferred to the rocket, providing the thrust needed to overcome gravity and propel the rocket into space. So, there you have it, a brief overview of how rockets work. They're truly a marvel of human engineering, and they're essential for our exploration of the cosmos. Thank you for joining me on this space adventure. If you found this information fascinating, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more space-related content. Until next time, keep exploring!